ASSA ABLOY.
One of the questions we often get asked is, what makes a door energy efficient? So I'm going to explain that. On the surface, a door that's energy efficient looks like a normal door, but what the secret is the construction and the design of that door. We have thermal brakes designed into the door itself, so it's still stiffened, but those give a thermal brake, which prevents the energy from transferring from the interior to the exterior, as well as our thermally broken frame, PIMCO seals, thresholds, all are designed to save energy in that opening. So one of the things that Trio has a good heritage of is our certification. It's third-party certified to lower the cost of ownership for that building. So GreenCirlce has worked with us, partnered, and we did an actual study where they certified an operable opening to save an average of $125 annually for each opening. So if you're the building occupant, the owner, everyone wins because that solution gives you money in your pocket that you didn't have before. So that's part of the heritage. And also the Trio solution was the first to attain an EPD, HPD, Declare label, and be third-party certified Green Guard Gold. So that solution saves you money, gives you security, and it's a great product, and we're very proud of it.